From the company that made fun of Apple for not including a charger comes the new phone without a charger. The new S21 Ultra comes in a sleek box, and after opening it with an unnecessarily large knife, you'll be presented with a masterpiece. And the cable. That's it. No charger. Shame on you. Compared to the previous generation S20 Ultra, you lose 45 watt fast charging and the micro SD slot. But on the bright side, you are getting a more efficient processor compared to last year. If you live in Europe, you are still getting the worst version Exynos compared to the North American Snapdragon 888. What's also new is the ability to adjust the display refresh rate from 120 Hz down to 10, saving battery power when nothing is moving on screen. The fingerprint scanner is now faster and more accurate. You're also getting a slightly better camera setup with faster focus. For more detailed camera comparison, check out this other video that me and my assistant did at minus 20 degrees Celsius on a frozen lake. Check it out.